Hey YouTube, this is the result of my twist out using the Shea Moisture Curly Enhancing Smoothie and Organics Lusting Olive Oil Styling Gel. You can use any gel, and I made a custard with the gel using different moisturizers and leave-ins and oils, just mix it all together. And I just used those two products in my hair, and these are the results. And I just did like a updo type, like a 1950s type with a little pump in the front. It's just been a week. I've taken out my box braids and I'm just making sure my hair is moisturized, and I have to do like deep conditioning and just do hair rehab since my hair's been in the box braids for 2 months. And I'm doing protective style. So my whole protective style challenge is, I have my hair in a style for 2 months, and then I'll take it out. Then I'll leave my hair out maybe like for a month or so, a month and a half, and then I'll get my hair in a style. And since I'll be going on maybe somewhere swimming or whatever, I just will make sure my hair is protected at all times. So I'm just showing you the little updo I have going on here. And I'll post pictures on Instagram. You can follow me, Alesha, ALESHA 567 at Instagram. Bye.